Okay, good evening everyone. So I am starting the webinar. I am Tarun Bhardwaj, this side, those who don't know me. And I think other people are also likely to join, but then I've got some emergency and then I have to start it a bit earlier. Can you see the screen and can you hear my voice? Okay, great. So I'm starting now. As now this is a weekend analysis, and I think next week onwards I will do it on a Saturday evening. That will be better. That will give me time to upload it on YouTube and so that other members can also watch. So that I will take care from the next week. Uh, I have already uploaded. Yeah. So there is a. I will share first this screen to you. Just a minute. Stop sharing. Where is this? Yeah. Present something else. Okay. Window. So now I have changed the screen. Now this is the screen which you can see, and this is my. I will just go through it. It is a almost 9-page long document. This is my weekend checklist for the weekend analysis. So I start with the time cycle analysis, then I go to valuations of Nifty, then sentiment analysis on Google Trend, then future OI, then I do the VWAP analysis, then analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty on weekly, daily, and hourly, and then analysis of market breadth, VIX, then sectoral analysis, dollar index. So the yields, golds, Asian market. So there is lot of material here. So I will be following this checklist, and I will be doing it all these things quickly. And if time permits, I have time till 9:30 p.m. If time permits, you can ask a query. Then you can simply drop me the message. I will address them in the group, Discord group. So this is the plan for today. So now I will present the charts. Okay, so we start with the valuations of Nifty. So this is a simple website. Subscription is just I think 300 rupees for a year, where you can see historical trend of Nifty price to earning. So as of now we see that Nifty price to earning is at 23.51. So while Nifty has dropped, earnings have also dropped, it seems. Uh, so this is from 23.61, it has gone to 23.51. So this is because a minor drop, because price has dropped, Nifty's price has dropped, earnings are almost same, earnings season has just started, so not much change here. Then we go to price to book value. Earlier it was like 4.19 highest, now it is coming to 3.75, but for bottom we need it like here 3.43 or somewhere like 2.62, something like those. So this is just an idea to take just a reference from the historical trend, not of much value, but it's good to have a look. Then we see the sentiment analysis. Sentiments we don't know, they are not they're not very bullish, so we can leave that. Let's come to the main thing, that is futures analysis. So I use stock edge. Subscription is I think 4,000 rupees per annum, and it shows the future OI positions date wise. So on Friday there was some kind of short covering from FIIs. Thursday they had 1,64,000 long contract, and then they increased longs by 1,000, and shorts they had 334, here they have 327. So they covered their shorts on Friday. FIIs covered their shorts on Friday and increased a minor increase in their long positions. Let's see what mutual funds DIIs did. Same thing, DIIs 71,000 to minus 71 to minus 70. Longs 113, 1,13, and here 1,13, same. Shorts 184, 183. So some kind of short covering by DII is very minor. Then retail, they further increased their longs. Then who shorted? I think it is the prop, yeah. So prop firms, they had long 1.1 lakh. So they did long unwinding. They unwinded their long positions, prop firms. Okay. So it tells us that nothing much changed on Friday actually. While it was a bit of short covering, but not a major change, very minor change, which was on Friday. Okay, so after this, let's do a VWAP analysis of Nifty. Let me do it firstly on weekly time frame. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, so it's not very clear on weekly. Let me try on Nifty futures. There is something. Okay, so on weekly Nifty futures, the major support is very low. It is at 19,600. So that is a very far away thing. So we can avoid that. Now let's go on daily. On daily, it is showing support at 23,200, which is near 200-day moving average, and resistance at 25,500, 25,525. So this is the major support at 23,200 and major resistance at 25,500. These two levels are important for medium term. And now let's come on daily. So sorry, we come on hourly time frame. So on hourly time frame, for intraday trader or like weekly position, very short term positions, resistance is at 25,100, and while support is at 24,784. So this is the band which is being formed. Okay, so this is the VWAP analysis. We can, it is good to take some idea here. And now let's come on weekly. I think lost your network. Ready. So sorry, I think I lost my network. Sorry for the interruption. So we were at weekly. We have come to weekly time frame. Okay, we have come to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, this large candle of October first week, followed by two candles. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I will present it. Okay. Just a minute. Can you see it now? Okay, great. So this is the weekly chart of Nifty. Last 2 weeks, not much of the movement. Last week was also kind of indecisive candle. But the point to note here is this gap which I am marking. This is called fair value gap. Okay, this is just a term which has been given to it. So it means a portion of candle which lies between the lowest low of previous and highest high of next candle. So it is this thing acts as a major resistance and support also. So here now it is acting as a major resistance on weekly time frame. For long term trend reversal, we need at least one FVG. See, in a downtrend, multiple FVGs will be formed, and the moment first FVG gets filled and the price breaks out of it, that becomes a very strong indication of trend reversal. So as of now, there is no indication of trend reversal. Only we have these two doji candles, and weekly RSI, nothing there. Yeah, nothing significant here. Let's see where are moving averages. So on week, okay, this is for daily. I'll just hide it. So this week Nifty took support on 20-week moving average. Okay, this is 20-week moving average. It was at 24,732, and this is where Nifty took support, and that's why we saw that bounce, because 20-week is also a very important level. Okay, other than this, what we see, the Nifty actually filled this gap. It came, touched it. This is Nifty futures, Nifty continuous futures. So they came here, they touched it, and then we saw the bounce. So it's always good to keep marking these levels. They are helpful, like all these gaps and moving averages. So like here also, Nifty came down, filled this gap, and then bounced. In Nifty spot also same thing, it took support at 20-week moving average. Okay, so now let's come to daily time frame. On daily time frame, candle looks good, the wick is good, and then the close was also strong, and since it is a parallel channel from where it took support, so it was a very logical support level also. So it gives a hope to bulls that at least it should go till the channel high. Okay, again there is no guarantee, but then it gives a hope. And on daily time frame, RSI, yeah, so there is a positive divergence on daily time frame here. This is also important point to note. Price dipped below, but RSI made a higher low. Price made a lower low, but RSI made a higher low. So it again gives an evidence, bullish evidence. This gives a bullish evidence. Okay, and if we go on hourly time frame, and before that, let's do moving average analysis. Various moving averages. So 50-day is here at 25,000, and 20-day moving average at 25,178. So yes, there is a high probability, as Nifty has not touched 20-day till now, so there is a high probability that it at least touches it once. And daily time frame, this single candle, very strong candle, it was a good and good bullish reversal, large wick candle, and then two follow through after this gave a confirmation that price is likely to go up. Okay, so but is it confirmed? No, it is not confirmed, because you see on hourly there is one more FVG here, and price actually halted at 20-hour moving average. I will hide these daily moving averages. So this 20-hour moving average, price actually halted right there, and if we see how much it retraced, if we do the fib analysis, it again, as you can see, it retraced 50% and it halted there. So as they say, nothing is guaranteed, and as we are seeing, environment is bearish, the trend is bearish, all the bounces are being sold. So generally the key rule is, till the time trend doesn't reverse 61.8%, okay, trend reversal is not confirmed. So it has halted at 50-day 50% retracement level, so it may stop here, it may stop, there is no guarantee till now. Intraday, yes, for the intraday people there was a clear move after this wick, but not for the swing traders. Okay, and let's see Nifty futures. Nifty futures giving a positive divergence on. Okay, so on daily, Nifty futures are not giving a positive divergence. Remember, future chart analysis of futures is actually more important than spot, because big players play in futures rather than spot. So RSI divergence is not there on futures, continuous futures. So that thing is not valid. That bullish evidence is not valid. Okay. And here also it halted right somewhere there near 20 hour moving average, and retracement levels here also at right at 50%. It halted right at 50%. So outrightly it is difficult to say that Nifty is going to 2500 levels as of now. So it is difficult as of now, it is difficult to comment that or to make a statement that Nifty is going to the channel top, because it is stopped right at the important resistance levels. Okay, and Bank Nifty was the star. Let's see what it did. First let's see the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. So weekly candle, while Friday action was good, but on weekly there is a lot to cover. Okay, especially this uh, last week, this evening star thing on weekly is very powerful bearish thing. So most probably Bank Nifty, while it moved on Friday, I'm not very convinced about the strength in Bank Nifty. It can move to 50%, it can retrace 50% levels, that is 52301, but I think it will continue its move down to the channel bottom. On daily time frame, daily time frame again, it was a good bullish candle, bullish engulfing. So on Bank Nifty on Friday, it was a bullish engulfing candle. Uh, but I think it is also looking like wave B. Wave A was sharp with multiple gaps, and now wave B slowly it is trying to make way, and somewhere it should reach these levels 52 350 to 52 750, and from here this is the region where fresh selling can come. So there is no trend reversal in Bank Nifty also as of now. Then coming to Nifty 500, it is very similar to Nifty. Took support at 20-week moving average. On daily, it did not make new low. Okay, and but still it has lot of ground to cover. What bulls are hoping, or short-term traders are hoping for, a double bottom, and then at least should go to make a double top. That's what they are hoping for. But it's not confirmed as of now. Uh, it's a middle, it's an average probability trade. It's not a high probability trade to go long and looking for the channel top as of now. And let's see mid caps, BSE mid cap here. Let's see weekly. So on weekly they are still in this channel. Okay, and as of now broader market is looking okay, it's not looking that weak as of now. Nifty and Bank Nifty are looking more, they are much weaker. Small caps same, small caps they are still holding here, but it is unlikely that small caps and mid caps can hold market on their own. They need that support from Nifty. Okay, and now let's come to the next point, which is, let's see the market breadth. So market breadth was neutral. Almost 1001 stocks advanced while 1012 declined, and this is the chart. We see that market breadth picked up, but Nifty did not respond, and then they show the sharp drop. So we need synchronization between Nifty and broader market. Then only we can say the trend has reversed. If one index moves, other indices fail to move. As per Dow theory, there is a negative divergence, then they are not going to move. It becomes a fake move actually. And let's see the let's see the strength of breakouts. Okay, Yeah. So breakouts were 11 and breakdowns were 14. So on Friday, breakdowns were stronger. On 17th also breakdown was stronger. It was only this 4 to 5 days from 9th October till 16th October, these 7 sessions where things were better for bulls, but not now. So market is not able to show sustained strength as of now. And let's see India VIX. India VIX, people are very confident. They are not panicking. So people are not writing out of the, or they are not buying out of the money puts as of now. So they are still confident. Bulls are still confident. There is hardly any reaction in Nifty. Oh, sorry, in VIX. Like when on 5th of August, in August first week, when market dropped, VIX shot up on 5th August to levels of 23. Now similar correction has taken place with the same intensity, but VIX did not cross levels of 15. So I think bulls are too complacent and they're too relaxed. And then let's see the various sectors. What are they doing? So private banks are strongest, but nothing much. They are still below 20-day. Media, nothing. PSU Bank, no, nothing. Financials, nothing. Commodities, weak. Basic material, PSE, PSUs. Manufacturing, no. Auto is also weak. Infra, nothing. Power sector also nothing. Realty, nothing. Nifty Junior, no. Consumer durables, no. Healthcare, yeah, it is only pharma which is still holding. MNCs, no. So no sector as of now is looking in better shape. FMCG is also weak. Tech is also, tech and healthcare. Tech is still inside this channel. So let's see if it how it moves from here. But most of the indices, as you have seen, they are weak. Let's take a look on yields. So US 10-year yields, they are strong. They have given this breakout and yields are rising. Even Indian yields are stagnant at the same location. And let's see dollar. What is dollar doing? Dollar is strong. Dollar is strong. Only Friday was one day first black candle after in 14 days, in 20 days. First black candle that was on Friday. It is very strong. Certainly it is going to 105 levels. Okay. And then comes gold and silver. I have been advocating gold, investment in gold from last, I don't know, 2 months or almost 3 months. And you see, since 5th August, those who have invested in Nifty or whatever stock in August, and Nifty is at same levels, and many of the portfolios would have been at the similar level. But since 1st August, your gold, it is up 11%, while Nifty is not up. So gold has significantly, in last 2 months, it has outperformed Nifty. Okay, so, and I have been telling it for almost right from the August onwards. And I think it is going to at least this channel top 2781, and then it may take a pullback, wait for the US elections to get over. And it is once US elections get over and the dirty things, the dirty data which these politicians have been hiding till now about the economy and about the stock market. Because every election year they pump the stock market so that there is a general happiness in the country, because almost 50% of population has exposure, or even more has exposure in stocks. Okay, so what I am hoping is that actual data will come out somewhere in once elections get over, and then even gold will get further pumped up. So because you have to realize that gold has an inverse relation between yields and dollar. Yields is that the interest which you get once you lend your money to government, so it is very safe. So once if money flows there, then money gets out of gold and flows there. But now we are seeing yields are also rising and gold is also rising. So it simply tells us that gold is very very strong, and it is because of yields. Because you see the symbol, it is XAU oblique USD. You know that denominator is also rising, but numerator is so strong that it is rising despite the rise in dollar. So now just see, on Friday when dollar corrected by 0.29%, gold moved up 1.06%. So now you imagine when dollar will correct like 5 to 6%, then gold, I'm telling you, it will surprise people. It will surprise people. Ultimately, I'm looking for somewhere like 28 or 2900 levels. That is the upside of 5 to 6% from here. Okay. Then USD INR, nothing. RBI is just keeping it in a range. US markets are still holding, and obviously because of elections. And but they're almost there. Like S&P 500 is 2%, 1.6% away from the target. But 6200 is the final target. That is first 5.5% away. So party is not very long now. It is, I think, next 20 to 25 days or maybe 1 month for US markets to top up. Yeah. And let's see other markets, especially Chinese markets. So kind of breakout on lower time frame, but then again we saw profit booking. And this is Chinese market index. So candle was good. It was bullish engulfing, but then the last moment selling. So we might see wave A complete, wave B, then wave C, or the correction might be over. Hang Seng was comparatively better, but there have been this falling waves pattern and then this breakout. Even especially tech index. So pattern was common in all this Chinese and Hong Kong market. So I think, and they are taking support at 20-day. So we can see next leg of rally, I think, or we have to just wait further for maybe 1 month more. Then other Asian markets, Indonesia, Thailand, they are holding. They are holding very well. So I think in last 1 month, India is the weakest market. Last 1 month. Other Asian markets, emerging markets are holding. Yeah, all of them are holding. I think even Japan is holding. Yeah, it has recovered a lot. So coming to European markets, Russia is weak. Europe seems weak. Oh, they are just consolidating. They are not weak as of now. So it is a mixed thing. Germany is very strong, very very strong. Okay. So generally equity markets are stable. Only India is weak, and so it's as I shared one chart in the group. It's very obvious. Money is flowing out of India to buy markets which are cheap. It is just rebalancing which is taking place. Profit booking. Okay. And let's see crypto. So crypto, yes, a good breakout, and it is holding. On weekend also it has been consolidating only, but on weekly candle was good. It was good solid candle on weekly. And if we see this correction, okay, it is right now right at the resistance. So next week there might be some profit booking, or it may give a breakout, but it is right now at a resistance. Candle was very very solid. So let's see how it behaves here. But I'm bullish. I'm betting that because it has, out of all the risk assets for in the year 2024, Bitcoin is one thing which has not performed till now, and institutes have been accumulating Bitcoin like anything, especially BlackRock. Yeah, especially BlackRock. Okay, now let's see what commodities are doing. Commodities, they are proxy to China. Silver was 6% up. Palladium was 3% up. But other than precious metals are not proxy to China, but base metals are proxy to China. Aluminium, okay, consolidating. Copper, no, it has corrected a lot. Zinc, consolidating. This, okay. Crude oil, some strength, and then again it is, I think demand is not there, it is fading. So base metals somewhat strength, because obviously China has undergone consolidation for last week or two, so they are playing proxy. So if China gives a breakout, then these things will also move. Okay, and now let's come to the derivative analysis, derivative data analysis. I will open the okay. Now let's see open interest, how traders are positioned. So again it is bearish, and PCR is, but it is at 0.76, so it's not that bearish. As we have seen, that I put a tweet regarding recency bias also. Are you all connected? Yeah, okay. So I put a tweet regarding the recency bias also. In last 5-6 months, we have been seeing that whenever there was oversold conditions, it was a bullish trend, market was bouncing. But now what in last 1 month we have seen, that despite oversold conditions, market is bouncing, but it is hardly bouncing 50%, and then again it is being sold. So I think we have to get out of that mindset that it's oversold and let's take a contra bet. I think it's not going to work. It has been working for 6-7 months, but not now. So 25,000 has got a strong put writing, and if I take that contra approach, so I will say that this Thursday it will be profitable if institutes squeeze this 25,000 call writers. But now environment has changed, so my take is that 25,000 closing will be below 25,000. It is difficult. It is unlikely that closing will be above 25,000, and more than that, it might go below 24,500. They might in fact try to squeeze these 24,500 people who are writing puts here. So I've changed that approach because I don't think it's working now. And let's see how people are positioned for monthly. Okay, no clear position on monthly. It is certainly 27,000, 26,000, 25,500. But this 24,500 still has decent put writing, but not so huge. So I think they are going to squeeze this 24,500 at least for October thing. Yeah, that is on 31st of October. Let's see the calendar for stock market. Any high impact news? Japan, Bank of Japan interest rate decision 31st October. This can be interesting. And Fed interest rate decision is on 8th of November. Yeah, so till 8th of November trend is unlikely to change as it seems. And stock results calendar, multiple results 18th, 19th. So result season has started. Market will react to the results. Okay, this is not required. So that was about derivative analysis. Monthly we have seen. Okay, all these things we have seen. So what is the likely course of action for Nifty for this week? First thing is, purely from the price action perspective, it's likely to bounce, maintain this bullish thing, reach levels of 25,143 by let's say Tuesday. And if we check time cycles are suggesting a bearish day on Wednesday. Okay, and Friday also. Okay, week seems bearish. So price action is suggesting that it should keep moving up for next 2 days, and then it should get sold on Wednesday and Friday, so that closing happens below 25,000 levels. This is the most probable thing which can take place. The second course of action which can actually take place is that let's see Gift Nifty how it closed. It closed at 24,891. Okay, so if let's see tomorrow open how Asia opens. If I think it is because results were bad on that day, on Friday. Let's see Nifty ADRs. So ADRs were okay, they were not positive, but okay, Reliance was down 1.34% on ADR. So that might be the reason that Gift Nifty is down. Infosys 0.66. Okay. So if opening also is as on the similar line, that is 24,891, and Japan and Asia opens weak, so we might face rejection right from these levels, and then we see a down move, because if they have to short from here, this is the zone where they will short. But if this zone is crossed once, then obviously we are going to 25,145. So these are two course of action which seems probable. A trend reversal is unlikely as of now. It needs to break out from this channel. It needs to fill the gap here, 25,772. Then only trend reversal will be confirmed. It seems unlikely as of now. So this is my analysis. I am really sorry, I have limited time, so I have 5 minutes more, so you can ask if anything you have. Otherwise you can put, I will answer in the group. You can put your queries there. Ajay ji, any query from your side? Okay, MCX and Dixon. हाँ अजय जी बताइए, anything? Okay, now let me analyze this MCX. So MCX, yes, when it is again a proxy to gold. Whenever gold and silver, because I think they take their most of the commission because of gold and silver trading. So it is in a uptrend, but if you see the long term chart, that is a weekly channel, and it is something looking like gold only. So upside seems limited. Upside seems to me 5 to 6% of upside, this channel top. So this was about MCX. Better to play with gold rather than playing MCS. Then let's see Dixon. Again it is showing awesome strength in a weak market, and this was somewhere I had a target here, 16,380. So it is almost reaching there. And why this target? Because this wave, the wave which started in 2020, is 0.618 at 16,549, and on weekly time frame, weekly RSI is at 90. Last time it was here 93. This is monthly, sorry, this is on monthly, that we should not see. Let's see what is happening on daily. So on daily, RSI tops out, okay, it topped out very high, somewhere here, 89. So we can draw this alternative channel. If we try a wave analysis here on Dixon, then we see that wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see. Let's see this. 1, 2. 1 2, okay, 2 3 4 5, and we had 1 2, okay, 1 2 and 1 2 3 4 5 here. So if I have to put wave count, then it will be 1 2 1 2 3 4 3, then 4, and the wave 5 is in progress, because it is in sync with the market thing also. Now it can keep moving because this channel is quite broad, it can keep moving higher. So if you have a position, you can keep trailing it. If you are making a new position, then sorry, if you are making a new position here, then you can simply trail it with a stop loss. Okay, breakout is good, there is no doubt, breakout is good, and you have to be careful about the results. When are the results out? Because it may move till the result date and then gets dumped on the result day, because results may not be as per the valuation. So 11 to 12 13% upside is obviously given here from here. So I think it is going till at least 17,227, and then before result you have to book your profits and then wait, because generally stocks which move very fast before results, they achieve their target pre-result only and then they get dumped. And what else in Dixon? This channel, but no, but I think, yeah, I think it is a safe bet. You can use Chandelier exit for taking stop loss. So your SL will be like 9% from here, or 9 to 10% from here. Yeah, you can take that SL. But it is looking good. It has broken out, then it has retested in last 3 days, then again showing a good strength, and target 11 to 13% target is possible. Okay. Any other question, anyone? Amrit sir, any question? Jayji, any question from your side? Sorry, I could not take your call. Okay, one more thing, TVS Motors. No, I think auto you have to be careful, because I think I have read multiple articles that inventory is piling up, and now when result session is out, I'm not sure if TVS result is out, but wait for results, because if it is piling up, then it is very stressed, and being a cyclical sector, cycle might have changed for auto. So be careful with autos and wait for the results. Yeah, just a minute. Anand Rathi Wealth. Okay. Yes, so it has taken support at weekly Chandelier ATR, and it is in a good range. It is in a good range, but it has not still broken out. Okay, it is still in the range. So it will be prudent to wait for the next week how it reacts from here. If it gives a breakout, you can take a position. Yeah. Okay, any other question, anyone? Okay, then I am calling off. Thank you so much. I will put the recording also for other people. Amrit sir, anything sir? Okay, thank you. Bye, good day, good night.